Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename Google Form link. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm inside Google Forms, and for this demonstration I'm going to be using this party invite. So I want to go ahead and shorten this party invite link. So if I go on the top here, click on copy responder link, you can see there's a large link here, but if I can go ahead and click on shorten URL, and that's going to shorten this URL. But still, that can be a bit tricky for other people to remember and head on over to. So there's a way we can shorten this URL and make this a custom name as well. So there's a really good site called tinyurl. You've probably already heard of this. So what we can do here is put in your link here. I'm going to paste it in like so, and then from here it will say tinyurl. So I'm just going to click on shorten another. I'm going to put my link in like so, and now we can customize this link. So we're going to use from tinyurl. Also, if we click the drop down, we can add a domain if you like, but for this demonstration, just use tinyurl and then put in an alias here. So I'm just going to put in forms link 2 and then click on shorten URL. And now if I go ahead and copy this link and paste this in like so, this is going to take me over to my Google Docs party invite.